Kublai Shmuni Fibro Section Part ki jing bitip nam ta ki ka result bat ki tarik exam ki badai lamba ka MPSC Meghalaya Public Service Commission te ka result ko mi ka arpo tarik September aja fly ka dai jong ka Junior Divisional Accountant JDA, the result of the preliminary examination for the post of JDA. Take two will adapt to exam jong ka prelim jong ka JDA under the administrative control of the Directorate of Account and Treasury Meghalaya December 2022. Makanya post kami hu arja arpo exam pada to arja fly held on 29 April 2023. Te kalami ka result jong ka prelim terada phi la deban phi day bato exam nam ta kane ka post JDE te ka result kalami sa check ki roll number ki jong phi kane ka list de kala check na official website jong ka MPSC kala don ka list la de upload na po official website te ki bapas ka prelim mat ki bapo si ka main ki don kumba syajar tamai approximate kumta hil aspen khen ki don kumba syajar tamai bapas tang ya ka prelim ma bo qualify ban po si ka mains exam janam ta ka main exam pada kin sa pentip ya ka tarik phaban page hi ban update apo ka website jong ka MPSC Meghalaya Public Service Commission te sa check ya lade kini ki number phi don am number jong phi roll number qualify am ya ka prelim man po si ka mains jong ka ne ka post JDA Junior Divisional Accountant sekan mau ban check na po official website nga saburo ka link po description pila ban check ro na ka website mpsc.nic.in pila ban yo ka ne ka notification kami arpo tarik jong banai September te la pila da to exam pila check tu bidon mu roll number jong phi te saka jing petip ye day bat ki exam bade la da pila ban tab ki post ki exam jong ki post ka fer lemba ka MPSC bade tangnya pe junta kane ka notice la penmin duk hasan tarik September la da tempat check te ka exam ka bade nam ta ka research assistant under border area development office kan de khasau October arja apply research assistant under housing department khasau tarik October arja apply peman kan mau kata ini de ta tentative program for screening test written examination magine has been fixed for the following posts kini post October November December tek la da ai lupa ka tarik la wan pen kre lupa ka sngi nam ta exam nam ta kini post since the commission do not have hall room of its own the conduct of the examination will be subject to availability of hall rooms te ka shong ga jing la jong ki kamera la da amlai kamera ki la ban postpone biang ye kini exam every effort is on to conduct as per tentative program. In case there is any change, the candidate will be informed due dates in advance. The candidate research assistant under border area development office, research assistant under housing department. Khasau tarik jong October arja apply. Katarit jong ka screening ane written examination. Sakan mau to apply. Kabar jong ka judicial grade 3 of the Meghalaya Judicial Service under law department. Kane lipo but lipo October arja apply. Laka jong sengi sekan mau ha kabalai jong ka Meghalaya Civil Service Exam prelim kande ka MCS kidi berada apply nam ta ka MCS kande sau tarik jong November arja apply dan yo porbawan kre arnai shimnai tam dan kabasa ka Meghalaya Police Service MPS kande ka mains exam kidi qualify ka pass ka prelim in happen kre se ka mains ka exam kande arfa tarik November hadu Pran December arja apply pinyo laga jong ka shift iktu ki ba qualify te sakan mau ban check ndala penmi yaki admit card ban pha download admit card la ban check te exam tarik la pen tip lupa hang ni la da betul lupa te ka shong sa phi ban pen kre ban ab e kata ka admit card nam ta kini sakoi biang ka jing tip hawe de bat kane ka post jong ka judicial magistrate grade 3 under Meghalaya Judicial Service kane ka post untuk December arja huai tel da pim pada jing tip na apply ka tu ka por am ta kane ka post te dat as per the letter number LJ okay tu sapulehi ka tu sa check na official website date 24 August 2023 received from government the one post advertised by commission it is reserved for Garo category tang nam ta Garo category ka dan ta ka post based on the register of roster of the reservation policy te kamut ba la khot ya kane nam ta interview la ne ka written examination nam ta kane an khot tang ki eligible candidate ki badai na po Garo community Garo category ma te la don ki to ki na po khasi jentian na ka UR ke apply ke ba 6 syakhot show ya kena post yang ka Judicial Magistrate Grade 3 under Meghalaya Judicial Service December 2021. Jadi gini kijing pentip ke bade bat ka Meghalaya Public Service MPSC. Boleh cuba.